Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Anker charger blinking blue light, what it means and how to fix it fast. A blinking blue light on an Anker charger usually means there is a charging problem. It may mean the device is not placed correctly, a metal object is blocking charging, the charging cable is loose or damaged, the charger is too hot, the charger or connected device has a fault. Fix 1 is reconnect the charger properly. Unplug the charger from the power outlet, then disconnect the charging cable from the charger. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug the charger back into the outlet. Reconnect your device and check if the blue light stopped blinking. Second one is check the charging cable. Inspect the cable for cuts, bends or frayed ends. Then make sure both ends of the cable are firmly connected. Try a different USB cable if you have one. Check whether the blue light becomes solid and charging start normally. Third one is clean the charging port. Unplug the charger from power, then look inside the charger and device charging port for dust or debris. Use compressed air or a soft dry brush to clean the ports. Reconnect everything and test the charger again. Fourth one is try a different power outlet. Unplug the charger from the current outlet, then plug it into the another wall outlet that you know is working. Avoid using damaged extension cord or overloaded power strip. Check if the blue light stop blinking. Fifth one is let the charger cool down. Disconnect the charger from power, then let it cool for 10 to 20 minutes if it feels hot. Keep it in a cool, well ventilated area. Plug it back in and test again. Sixth one is test with another device. Connect a different compatible phone or device, then check if the charger works normally. If only one device causes the blinking light, the issue may be that device rather than the charger. Thanks for watching.